frame screws. Alright, line up your frame. Okay, just like that, you know. Now take your frame screws. I would personally suggest start out by putting the back one in first. Just simply because I feel like the back one lines up the body better than the front. Okay, so just go ahead and screw it all in. Yeah, alright. I really gotta do this in my hands, guys. I'm sorry. I gotta be honest. I really wish I knew how Mike Phillips was doing it. He can like put I don't know. He has the camera hang over the table or something. I'm not sure how he does it. I wish I knew. Maybe use it. Oh, that's what I should have used. I should have used the table tripod. Up. Yep, just so it kind of fall into place. Okay, now don't tighten it all the way. Tighten it most of the way. Okay, have it like a few turns away from where it should be. And then go ahead and put the front screw in. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry I can't get more on camera. If you're new at putting the eyes in, listen, it's mostly common logic. Don't be afraid if things look unorganized or like there's not a slot for everything, because, oh, whoops. Look where I went wrong. I pinched the wire. Didn't even see that. Alright, let me unscrew it. Get that. I hope I didn't crush anything right there. Shouldn't have. Yeah, guys, this is always a tricky thing to do. Gotta be careful about it. Ribbon, extremely fragile. Most people, they can go through, I don't know, 3-4 pairs of ribbon eyes with one gun. And I'm like, how that, you know, it amazes me. For you companies out there who use ribbon eyes stuck in your guns, please don't. It's a pain in the ass, you know. I was using Eclipse all my life. Well, not all my life, but all my paintball life. And then I switched over to a Proto, and first thing I encountered, ribbon eyes. And I was not delighted. Alright, looks like I gotta take the frame screws out all the way. God, you guys can't even see anything that I'm recording, but yeah, careful to kind of pull the wire tight. Okay. You know something? Still don't get. Okay, by the way, when I said it's wrong to have to be able to see it, it's strictly because if your screw goes into where the ribbon is, it'll tear right through it. So you guys got to be super duper careful. How they made this, you know, I've never been fond of anything but wired eyes, but well, that's coming from me. The guy she used nothing but wired eyes. So you just kind of feed it all through. I don't need to show you this since I showed it to you. I just kind of made one little boo-boo, which now I'm trying to fix up. If you can always get a second pair of hands for this, that's great. Okay. you know, but if you can't, well, that's fine too, I suppose. Yeah, I know this video kinda, I'm not showing you guys much, but yeah, see, that's what it does, is it can jam your, yep, if the ribbon, gotta be absolutely careful not to let it jam your, if you feel resistance in your trigger, that means your ribbon has jammed it. That's not a good sign at all. It means you didn't put it in correctly somehow. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's what you might want to try and do. Feed the ribbon right on ahead onto the side of the solenoid, but be very careful that you get it in there nice and flat. Okay, feed it in there. Okay, make sure it's not underneath the solenoid, as I said. Yeah, once again, guys, you know, please don't go bashing me for this one video. I'm new to YouTube. I'm new to making technical videos. I just kind of felt this was a good place to start. There we go. Alright, there we go. No more resistance. And there's nowhere on the sides. And I got plenty of space. Listen, yeah, that's the biggest thing. If it's through at this step, you know, it's all through and you're holding the frame together, and you pull the trigger and you don't feel a nice, good return, okay, it means the ribbon has jammed it, okay? And for those of you guys who are thinking, oh, yeah, I can stick wire ties in there, well, you see, that's the thing. Trust me, I want to do the same, and one day I'm going to try. But the only problem is wire tie is much thicker, and they will jam your trigger like that. I also came up with the idea that, how do I explain this? Technically, if I bought the Virtue UL frame adapter, that might save me some, or actually no, I'm going to explain this in a second. Hold on. Let me just get the screws in here. Okay guys, I'm not going to finish this off all the way for you, okay, because I want to show you something. This is probably the most important part of the video. You go to any local pro shop, you call Virtue, okay, they're going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you it right now as soon as I tighten this screw. Okay, so look at how this is, oh, actually no, hold on, let me plug the solenoid wire in, make sure that the solenoid is still working. You know, we'll take care of that later. So here, let's pretend the solenoid's wire not here for a second. Look at how this is constructed, okay? Let me zoom out a little. Or actually zoom in. I want. Okay? Take a look right there at the port where it goes in. Okay, and I'm going to put it in that port for you. Okay? Okay, there's the port.